its instability. How do I explain this? Stability is the basis for investors. A government stability and country stability is the basis for investors to put their money in where it is safe for them to invest and they can mitigate risk. Okay. In the case of political upheaval, there is uncertainty. Okay. Investors panic, they pull out their investments, businesses will close, unemployment will rise, etc. And that also translates to our finance sector wherein our currency is devalued and prices will rise. So delikado pa rin. If may mangyari sa Senado natin, ganun ang magiging epekto. Ano pang susunod na epekto niyan? Okay? Facts lang to Wala pa akong prediction dito This is just basic facts na dapat na alam mo bilang Pilipino. Okay, public unrest. It's a no-brainer. Okay? Large-scale street protests will erupt. Bakit mas maapekto ng ekonomiya natin? Walang papasok ng trabaho. Maraming unemployed. Anong gagawin nila? Magpipiket lang sila sa kalsada. Dahil nagugutom sila, wala silang sweldo, wala silang papakain sa pamilya nila, they will go to the streets. Ganun lang mangyayari. Okay? Doon nababagsak ang ating ekonomiya. Okay? Alright, paanong solusyon yan? Kung mangyari yung senaryo na yan na wala na tayong mga senador o may nakulong na senador, special elections to fill Senate seats will be conducted. Okay? Either through regular midterm elections, okay, or otherwise, the Senate will remain empty. The Senate seat will remain empty until the next election. Problema yon. Okay, that's a big problem. If there's a Senate seat vacancy, if they cannot conduct emergency elections, it will remain vacant and they cannot be at quorum. Ngayon, naiintindihan nyo na kung bakit desperate si Senator Marcoleta sa kanyang proposal. Pero kasi, bawal din kasi yun, hindi rin uubra. Kahit nasabihin mo pang ginawang example yun during the pandemic, it requires the presence of a senator who is not involved in any kind of judicial impediment. Okay. Next. Okay.